Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 67 registered BMW 320 diesel automatic touring sport. Now this is a supercar with some lovely options on it. It's finished in black sapphire metallic paintwork and it's sat on the 19-inch individual upgrade alloy wheels. Not seen one of these cars with the 19-inch wheel on quite like this before, but beautiful condition throughout. So the black sapphire metallic paintwork's finished in wonderful order, and then the 19-inch double spoke BMW individual alloys are a very nice factory cost option. Externally you get front fog lamps in the front bumper. We've then got the reversing parking sensors, but all the way round the paintwork is in lovely order. Do excuse the rain and the wind here in Wigan today, but when you take a look down the sides of the vehicle, the paintwork and the sides are free from any trolley dent whatsoever. A very nicely cared for car this. You can tell that the last owner has looked after it extremely well. Internally it's presented to the highest of standards. A huge boot on these, lovely spacious environment. Then you've got underneath the boot floor, you can lift it, you've got storage under the boot floor, and again under there. Quite well thought out. Rear load blind, load through net so that things don't slide through, and then you've got the electric tailgate also. Roof bars just setting off very well, but all the wheels are in good condition. As I say, when we detail them in our service department, they'll remove the wheels, any little marks will be polished up, and then we'll detail the calipers and then the discs. Now this one's got, as I open the door, it has the full factory black leather interior option. Normally a sport would come with a cloth interior, but this one they have gone to town when they ordered it new and ordered some very nice options inside. Very similar to the M Sport interior. This in fact is virtually identical to that. So we've got the red shadow line and then the gloss black door handles, 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors. We've got the chrome BMW kick plates. As we enter into the car, we've got automatic headlamps, front fogs, paddle shift, automatic wipers, onboard computer. As I start her up, we've got then 44,112 miles. Automatic transmission, silky smooth, got to have an auto these days, haven't you? And then that's your communication system, so your SAT NAV, Bluetooth, media player. This one has heated seats as well in the front, and the front seats are sport. Second generation later system as well, so the SAT NAV is further, and this is the later one. So we've got SAT NAV. We'll go down to the map there, and you can see the map. Bluetooth phone, media player, communication, you name it, it's got it. Lovely, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. Inside, I don't smoke, and I can tell this has not been a smoker's car. Still has that lovely clean fresh smell, and that black leather interior, as I say, is in great condition. The car's been detailed, shampooed, conditioned throughout. No real marks I can talk of or show you on it. A very well cared for car. 2 keys, CD player still. When I select reverse, we then get the parking sensors on the screen as well as the beeps through the radio system. Cruise control, speed limiter on the left, and your radio controls on the right. Very nice car indeed. And there you go, 44,112 miles. That's your Eco Pro mode. If I change it to sport, you can see on the right hand side there the car just changing its driving feature. Yeah, great, isn't it? Lovely car. Anybody who bought this would be very happy with the overall condition of the car and the way it looks. I think those wheels set it off. Opening the rear, again, that is as good as the front. Isofix chairs, there's no marks, tears or scratches on that leather seat. We've then got a rear vent as well. The carpets are all in superb condition. But everything about it, you can buy in full confidence in this car. absolutely A1 in every respect. So we've got 2 keys, we've got the book pack, we've got the service history on the car. Lovely example with some very, very nice factory options as are listed on our internet advert. If you want to reserve this car and come and collect it in the same day, we will take a £250 fully refundable deposit. What that will allow us to do is prepare the car for you. It's reserved and taken off sale, so you only have to visit us in store once, and to which then you can collect on the same day. If you've got a part exchange, give myself, Graham, Dom or Lee a ring. We'll give you a price on that. You need finance, we can do that for you also. We get everything in place so that when you've approved the car, the finance company pays the payment and you drive home. Check out our reviews, you'll see we're a 5-star dealer across the platforms. I've been doing this now for more than 40 years here in Wigan, and still owned by the same independent family. So, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.